I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in the Audi. From any screen, you can either click telephone like so, or click onto menu, and then just go to telephone, click OK. Now that's got search for a new mobile or please connect mobile phone, but you've got settings in the right hand side which corresponds to this bottom right hand corner button. So click on that, navigate to Bluetooth. You've got Bluetooth, discoverability, Bluetooth audio player, find Bluetooth devices, bonded Bluetooth devices, which is what we want, bonded Bluetooth devices. And you see there Barry's iPhone. Now if I click on that, you've got delete device or connect, hands-free or audio. So you can also, by doing this, if somebody else has, you've got your phone paired to answer telephone calls, you can also use somebody else's phone in the car to play music. So delete device. Do you really want to delete this device? Existing Bluetooth connections will be closed. Well, I do, yes. That's it.